Dear traders, in this video I am going to share the crypto strategy and you can also use it for Forex or any stock market. However, why I am saying the crypto, because mostly I have seen that the newcomers join this market and they do not have any kind of experience for the trading. So this video is going to help the beginners, especially those who don't have any experience and they just want a type of an indicator that tells us when to buy and when to exit. So this is kind of a strategy for those. So you can see on my screen, guys, you can see that there is an indicator attached on my screen which says long and then says short. Okay, so when it says long, it also tells you when you can possibly exit your long position. However, this is a by default option given by the author, that it will show you that where you can exit. Long means that you need to enter into the buy positions. Okay, you need to buy that pair. Okay, so if we talk about the long position, you can see, but the market heavily went up, then it went down, and later on, after a very late time, this indicator provided us to exit. So we don't want such exits. So better, what I say, that once you have a decent profit, either you are trading crypto, either you are trading the forex market, you can better exit from your trade, because I am recommending this indicator just for the scalping purpose from the 1 minute to 15 to 1 hour, right? Okay, one more thing, guys, that while using this indicator you need to take care of one thing, that better trade with the trend, so that you can avoid some false signals given by the indicator. Yes, guys, this indicator also provide you some false signals, so you know there is nothing 100% into the trading market. But however, this is just for the beginners who can do extremely well if they follow it with the trend. So how they can follow it, let me show you an example so that I can teach you, being your mentor, that how you can do it. So for example, guys, always pick the trend line like this, make the trend line. So if I ask the question from you, what is this trend? Okay, if I make another line, this is not important, but I'm just making for the sake of the beginners so that they can understand. Okay, guys, if we generally look at this pattern, this looks like that we are into the upward trend, right? So when I talk about that you are into the upward trend, so what does it mean? That you need to get into the buy signals, I mean the long signals, and you need to avoid the short signals. Like for example, on this candle, it has pointed you with the short signal. For the small period of time the market went down, again it went up. So that's always, I mean, we see such type of scenarios into the market. That's called trading with the trend. If the trend is into the downward direction, avoid the buy signals and go for the sell signals. For example, look at here, this is the downtrend, so short can be traded and we should avoid the long signals. However, you can see the accuracy is very good on this indicator. Okay, so guys, you can see this was kind of ranging pattern that we have seen, so we better need to choose the good pairs that were look here also it was ranging, here it was somehow good, but you can see the accuracy is very good by the indicator. So this indicator is recommended for those traders who do not have any kind of experience of the forex market, of the crypto market, and instead of, I mean, just playing the market with your own mind that I'm going to take a buy position and I'm going to take a sell position without any knowledge. So better you can consult this indicator. This indicator is definitely going to help you. For example, I'm on a USD CAD 1 hour. You can see short it was down, long it was up. So let's have a look, because this is the I mean currency pairs. So let's go to the crypto market. So for example, I'm going to choose Bitcoin USDT, right? Okay, now I'm coming to that chart. Okay, guys, now the big Bitcoin USDT 1 hour chart is in front of you. You can say it has provided you with the short signal, the market is down. Long signal, the market was up, right? Okay, now short down, long somehow up. So this is very good indicator, especially for beginners, because it is going to help you definitely. Okay, one more thing, guys, always avoid the pattern that is ranging. So for example, if I make the trend lines here, then you can see this is kind of a horizontal pattern. So always wait for the break of the horizontal pattern on any chart. if you are trading, if it is crypto, if it is Forex, if it is kind of any financial market, pair, instrument, whatever, gold, commodity. So guys, always look, if you make such rectangles, they are telling you that the market is into the ranging market. The market is basically going nowhere. So in this type of pattern, you have the chance to lose your money. So instead of losing your money, wait for the proper break. Now you can see short signal come, and then it has break that rectangle, and then you can see smoothly the market was down. I hope that in this video you must have learned what is the basic indicator that you can consult for the purpose of Forex trading, for the purpose of crypto trading, instead if you don't have possess any kind of knowledge, right? And in this video you have learned trading with the trend, and the third thing that you have learned that how to avoid the ranging markets. I will also make a special video on this ranging markets, because this is where I also had lost while into my learning period, because this is quite dangerous that you guys get stuck with the ranging market. Look at this period. This is the ranging market. Instead, leave it. Look, proper breakout done. Then you can see long signal went satisfied. So overall, guys, I mean, this is the gift from my side for those traders who don't have any kind of knowledge into the trading market. So this is kind of a basic indicator that you can use, and not into the slow markets, but normally into the ranging market, into the trending markets, you will see very good results with this indicator. And you know that the market session was very slow on Friday, the closing before, so that's why we have seen some random signals. Otherwise, when you will go and watch the signals from the Monday to Tuesday, then you will be able to get the good signals as well. So again, at last, I will tell you how to trade with the trend, so that you can again be revised about the lesson that I have taught today. So for example, guys, if I pick that line from here to here, what's the trend? The trend is basically down. Okay, now you can see short, that was fine. Short, we have to take the short positions, but long signal come, we will not take this one. Again short, we will go for it. So basically the trend is going down, so we have to avoid the long signals. So for example, if you avoid this long signal, you must have saved yourself from losing your profit. So guys, please let me know about your thoughts about this indicator. And now I'm going to tell you the name of the indicator is Prometheus Scalping versus Swinging by Zekis. And this is the author Edward _ Z, and it has 443 downloads till now. Prometheus Scalping versus Swinging by Zekis, and this is the very good indicator for the beginners in my opinion. So guys, please share your comments into the comments section. I will reply to your comments, and let's hope that you can be a better trader from now. Thank you very much for watching this video.